My video is now about getting rid of strange pop-ups related to the website Edscallthingl.biz. Edscallthingl.biz. The pop-up indicates pretty misleading information that tries to make people click on the allow button. It says that you need to tap the allow button to continue your browsing. Sometimes these alerts may use other deceptive messages. The pop-up may tell you that clicking on allow is for the purpose of age verification, or for proving that you are not a robot, or for fixing your supposedly missing internet connection, or for some other reasons. The reality is that when people agree with the proposal and click on the allow button, the browser gets hijacked. They get redirected to a lot of deceptive pages in the internet, and sometimes because of that, the computer may be infected with other potentially unwanted programs. I recommend you to immediately fix your browser, because if you clicked on the allow button, your browser now remains hijacked. How to fix your hijacked and troubled browser? Go to the menu of your browser, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. Now research the allow area carefully. You'll find some deceptive and dangerous sites here. You need to get rid of them all completely. After they are deleted, also delete the malicious sites from the block area. Finally, I recommend that you perform additional investigation of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the application is downloaded and installed, let it update its antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan, which will begin the detailed investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program at the end of scan will show you the detailed report with the number of threats that were found. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So this will show you the exact location of all threats that were revealed during the scanning. You may go to some specific thread, click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and so the program will bring you to the exact location of each specific thread. Then you may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So this is the manual and free way to get rid of all these threads. And of course, I recommend that you perform the automatic removal with the premium version of Combo Cleaner Antivirus.